Are you building? Yeah. What you gonna build? What you gonna build, Lovey? Are you gonna build with your blocks? What do you have? Block. Is that a ball? Ah. Is that a ball? It is? I like it. Oh, gracious. Yeah, let's be careful. You gonna keep building? Are you getting on your box? Yay! Sitting on boxes is fun. You're funny. You're funny. You're a funny kid. Yeah. Yeah. What do you do when you sit on your box? You have to reach for stuff and hope it's within reach. So you don't have to get off. Oh look! A ball! Is that so? Block. You are very funny. You are very funny. Yeah. You're gonna break your neck, little boy. Block! Whoa, man. We got